Okay, I have 3 shirts. They're larges. They've all been pre-soaked in soda ash, spun to where they're just damp. I'm basically going to do the same fold on all 3. One of them I'm going to do the fold, and then I'm going to do a spiral on it with the end product. And then the other 2, I'm going to do the same fold, and I'm going to do an ice dye on one, and then an ice dye incline on another. And so I'm just curious to see what kind of results I'm going to get. So, first one I'm going to do First one, I am going to do a fold using kite string. I'm going to make my starting about here. If I don't like this, I can always do a different color. That'll work, huh? Started here. This is the one that I did, and I forgot to hit the play button, or the record button, when I was doing it. So I've got these put out rather. They're going to all have 3 colors on them. This one's going to have an additional 3 because after the ice is melted, I'm going to turn it over and do it again. So we'll see what happens. All right. There's that. It's all done. All right. 3 shirt washout. I've already loosened the rubber bands and stuff on this. This is the one that I laid flat and did an ice dye. I tied it with Sinew. All right, let's see here. Oh, it's actually kind of pretty. We'll get it washed out. Where's the back? You can see better on the back. We'll get that washed out. All right. This is the one that I fan folded. Remember, I fan folded all of them. But this is the one that I fan folded and then spiraled. All See which ends up. Ooh, that one turned out kind of cool. Let's see what it looks like when it finishes its wash. This is the last one. It was the incline ice dye. Looks like it may be a little bit dark, but we'll see when all this ink, all the dye starts coming out. This one may be too dark for my liking, but we'll see, because I thought one of the other ones was going to be too dark too, but once it washed out, it was actually pretty. See, there's one side of it. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like when I get it washed out. It may be too dark. Take two. Right. This is the incline. Fan fold incline. I think it turned out really pretty. I think I still need to learn more about the incline. I really like all the colors. I like all the color combinations. I think maybe if I'd used less of the darker color, I think I would have gotten more brighter colors throughout. But I think it turned out really pretty. You know, I really like the chartreuse. The chartreuse really adds a really pretty color to it. What do y'all think? So that's the incline. Incline. All right. Fan fold. So this one and the other one use the same colors. This is the fan fold. Here again, I ice dyed it. I like all the colors. I like the way it turned out. I actually like this better than the incline, but I do like both. And I like the colors that came out in this. What do you think? Next one. Now this was the fan fold that I also spiraled. Fan fold that I spiraled. So that actually turned out a little bit, you can see the fan fold, but it made a different pattern on it, and I really like it. I think it turned out really, really nice. I'm going to try this with different colors. I'm going to try both of the fan folds. I'm going to try the incline again, using less dark, and I think that'll help with the incline. But I like the way this turned out as well. So what'd you think? So here's one. There's two. Fan fold. Here's three. Fan fold incline. What you think?